Dear students, today we learn representation of rational numbers on a number line. So how do we represent rational numbers on a number line? A number line looks something like this. So this is a number line. So 0 started from 0. So this is 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here -1, -2, -3 and so on. The positive integers starting from 0. The positive integers represents towards the right side of the 0 and the negative integers are represented to the left side of the 0. The numbers increase. The numbers increase, that is 1, 2, 3 and so on. The numbers increase when we move towards the right side and decreases when we move towards the left. It's easy to plot integers like 1, 2, 3 on a number line. But how do we plot numbers like 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and so on? So before we understand how to plot this, we need to understand a very crucial point, that is every integer except 0. So these are the integers 1, 2, 3, -1, 2, 3 are the integers. So every integer except 0 has a corresponding integers. Except 0 has a corresponding integers. So like here is a positive one. The integer 1 has so -1 as its corresponding integer. The integer 2 has -2 as its corresponding integer, and the number 3 has -3 as its corresponding integer. Similarly, every negative integer also have a corresponding integer towards the right side, like this. So one of the category of plotting the rational numbers on the number line. So when the numerator are less than here there are two categories, that is when numerator is less than denominator and when the numerator is greater than denominator. First we see how we can plot 1 by 2 and -1 by 2 when numerator is less than denominator. So this is a number line. So this is a number line. So 0, I'll write 1 here. So here -1. This is -1. So just you have to see, look at this figure 1 by 2. So here denominator is greater than numerator. So denominator is greater than numerator and numerator is 1 here. So now we divide the lengths between 0. So if I write half we can write it as 0.5. So 0.5 it lies between 0 and 1 here. So how many equal parts is a question here. How many equal parts is a question. So in between 0 and 1, now we divide the length between 0 and 1 into equal parts. That is 0.5. It lies between 0 and 1. So there are two parts here, two equal parts, because denominator is a 2 here. So 2 equal parts starting from 0, 2 equal parts. So the numerator is 1 here. So how do we plot? So starting from 0, only one plot, that is nothing but a half here. Same as for this side also. So this is -1 by 2. Got it? So we'll see one more example, that is 3 by 4 and -3 by 4. So here also numerator is less than denominator. 3 is less than denominator 4. Denominator 4. So this is a number line 0 and 1. This is -1 here. So 3 by 4 is nothing but 0.75. So it lies in between 0 and 1 again. So it lies between 0 and 1. So see the denominator parts. There are 4 equal parts we have to do. So starting from 0, that is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. The numerator is 3 here, starting from 0, that is 1, then 2, then 3. So this is 3 by 4. So same as here also. Make 4 plots here, 1, 2, 3, 4 plots. 4 because denominator is a 4 here. 4 equal parts starting from 0. Numerator is 1, 2 and 3. So this is minus 3 by 4. Clear? Minus 3 by 4. Clear? So that's it. We have plotted the positive integers and negative integers on a number line. But let me ask you a question. You have plotted 3 by 4 and 1 by 2 also here. But do you know which numbers are plotted on these number lines? Which numbers are plotted? Because since this is a 1 starting from 0, so we can write this is 1 by 4, 1, and this is 2 means this is 2 by 4. So starting from 0, so this is one plot, so I can write here minus 1 by 4 is the negative side. Then this is second plot, so I'll write this is minus 2 by 4. So like this. This is just for your understanding. You don't need to mark all the points if you are asked to mark only for 3 by 4 and minus 3 by 4. This is just for your understanding. Then we'll see when numerator is greater than denominator. 0, this is 1, this is 2. So this is minus 1, so this is minus 2. Suppose if I take 8 by 5 and minus 8 by 5, because here numerator is greater than denominator. The 8 is greater than 5 here. So 8 by 5, I can write it as 1.6. So 1.6, it lies between 1 and 2. It lies between 1 and 2. That is 1.6, this is 1. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 points. After 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here after 1, this is 1.6, that is 8. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 8, then 5. So this is 8 by 5. 8 by 5, I'll write this one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is a minus 8 by 5. So this is a number. Starting from, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is 8. That is 8.5 lies in between 1 and 2, as well as minus 8 by 5 lies in between minus 1 and minus 2, like this. Thank you.